right, let's take a look at this 3640 laser machine and its smoke extractor, the smoke extraction unit. How do we connect the wires for the smoke extractor? There are 6 wires on our smoke extractor. With these 6 wires, we need to find X21, this row here. X21 is this row. Now looking at the bottom here, we can see the labels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so for terminal 1, remember, we meticulously connect the bright yellow wire to the very first terminal, which is designated as 1. Terminal 2 then precisely goes to the rich brown wire. Terminal 3, which is the very next one down in the sequence, carefully connects to the vibrant green wire. Terminal 4 securely connects to the thick black shielded wire. Terminal 5 then firmly connects to the pristine white power wire. For terminal 6, we diligently connect the neutral gray ground wire. The bright yellow wire is specifically the paper feed wire, while the rich brown one is the essential start wire, initiating the process. Let's go ahead and connect everything properly. The other end of the cable should be securely plugged into the designated port at the back of the range hood unit. Once we've connected the power cord, after plugging it in, we can turn it on according to the instructions here. Press the green power button to start the machine. Alright, once we start it up, when we want to start the smoke machine, we first turn on the power, then turn on the controller's power. After waiting a moment, once we switch on the laser, the smoke machine over there will start working. Once we have successfully completed the entire process of starting everything up and carefully activated the laser, our highly efficient smoke extractor, located here, will then begin to operate normally and effectively. To precisely adjust the airflow, simply press and then hold down the central middle button. When both the upward and downward indicators begin to flash continuously, you are then able to either incrementally increase or gradually decrease the setting in order to effectively adjust the fan speed to your desired level. This decreases and this increases. Once you've set it, press the middle button again to confirm. All right, that's all there is to it.